students, today we are going to see about the fission and its types. So what is the meaning of fission? It is nothing but splitting. Okay. So the definitions of fission is the parent body is split into two or more identical daughter individuals. So it has four types. The first one is known as binary fission, and the second one is known as multiple fission. Third one is known as sporulation, and the fourth one is known as strobilations. So here the binary fission, the parent organisms divides into two halves. So here the structure of the organisms have to split into two halves. So each of forms a two daughter individuals. So when the nucleus divides first amitotically or mitotically, means that is karyokinesis, and when the nuclear division after the cytoplasmic division is followed. Okay, so this cytoplasmic division is known as cytokinesis. So after the resultant, the offspring are genetically identical. So when the binary fissions of the resultant product are look like a genetically identical, so both are looking the same process. So depending on the plan of division, binary fissions is the following types. The first one is known as irregular binary fission. So this is also a simple binary fission. It is seen in amoeba. So the irregular shaped organisms where the plan of division is hard to observe. The contractile vacuole case to function, and this is the next process is disappear. When the nuclear disintegrate, this nuclear is disintegrate and the nucleus divides mitotically, the cells constrict in the middle. The cells constricts in the middle. After the cytoplasmic divisions, the two daughter individuals are produced. So this is for irregular binary fission. After the irregular binary fissions, next we see about the transverse binary fissions. So the good examples of transverse binary fission means this is for paramecium and planaria. Okay, so this parameciums, it's a structure of parameciums. The plan of divisions runs along the transverse axis. Okay, the parameciums, the macromolecules, and this is for micromolecules. That is in macronucleus and micronucleus. So this is macro and this is for micro. Macro and micro. Okay, this macro and micro nucleus divides by this macro nucleus divides by amitosis, and this micro nucleus is divides by mitosis. So this is the what? Macro nucleus and micro nucleus. The next process, the macronucleus, micronucleus, here this oral growth is disappear. After the plan of division, here the two oral growth is appeared. So then the transverse axis, the formations of two parameciums. So here the appearance of oral growth, and this is the appearance of oral growth, and here the macromolecules and micromolecules, here the macromolecules and micromolecules, the formations of two identical individuals. So this process is known as transverse binary fission. So next process is known as longitudinal binary fissions. The longitudinal binary fissions means that is in cytoplasms divides in the longitudinal axis of the